It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Let's Hop into Easter. Our hosts are Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their amazing channels and all the creators in the playlist. Today I'm doing 3 small projects. I've been suffering with this flu stuff. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we have these, and we're going to make us a banner. I need a banner for spring. What I'm going to do first is get rid of this on each one of these. I'm going to cut it straight, because I don't need those points. Okay, I'm going to start here. This is our napkin I'm going to use on the first one. And all I'm going to do is take the layers off, and I'm Butterfingers. Just call me Butterfingers. We're going to take that extra layer off. And I like, it has a little lace edge here, So we're going to cut that. Maybe we can rip it. Let's see if we can rip it. I'm going to cut out the square first. I think it'll make it easier. We're going to put some Mod Podge down on our banner. I want to make sure I get those edges covered really well. Okay. Now I'm going to add our duck picture, our chicken picture. Then I'll take my heat tool and my little iron and go over that and make that flat. Okay, we're gonna run our Okay, I have this lace. I decided I'm going to take it and I'm going to divide it in half. Okay. And we're going to divide it like this. And we're going to take this. This is our banner. And we're going to finish it with a little bit of lace trim. Right here on the bottom. We'll cover up our rough edges and it'll give more of that Victorian feel. Ooh. Shabby chic Victorian feel to it. We'll do it on each one. And don't do what I did. I cut this one off by accident, so I gotta glue that back. So don't do what I did. I was gonna start my video with that. Don't do what I did, but I don't think that's a good beginning to a section of my video. I guess it is, because we all make mistakes from time to time, and sometimes I feel like I make them a lot. But here we go. Okay, we're gonna cut this in half. And these are Dollar Tree bunnies. And just add it to the stick. Here's an apple barrel nutmeg brown. We're gonna just paint this and kind of make him look like a little chocolate bunny. And this will probably take a couple coats. That's my theory is it'll take a couple coats. Okay, let's add a little eye for our bunny. Add some pink to her ears. Okay, let's take our egg and we're gonna add some hot glue. We're going to add our little bunny. And then at the Dollar Tree, I found this in my stash. I found a little bunny that looks like him, so he'd be different. So I'm going to add him over here. Now I'm going to just add a few flowers. You could add carrots down here, whatever you want to add to your little, I don't know whether you'd call it a terrarium. And this is just a little piece of greenery that I got, that it was from some scraps. I think it was from the Dollar Tree last year. And the fun thing is it doesn't have wire in it at all. There we go. My mantle isn't finished. I just started it actually, so it may not stay this way. But here's what we made today. We made this banner. Oh, these photos of the little chicks, I printed those off Pinterest. They are vintage greeting cards. And I thought they were really cute. We also made a chocolate bunny with a little scene in an egg from the Dollar Tree.